How to fix screencast option not available on Realme phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if you're not able to find your screencast option in your Realme device. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, look for screencast option in your quick setting. For that, you have to swipe down from the top of your screen to open up your quick settings panel. Swipe to your left, and if you're not able to find this screencast option right here, now what you have to do is tap on the pencil icon, which is an edit option in this quick setting panel right on your right hand side right here. After that, scroll down a bit and here you will have an option as screencast. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on this screencast and drag this screencast option to the active area right here. Now once you have done that, you can go back, and if you close this again, if you drag your quick setting panel and swipe to your left, now there you have an option as screencast. So this is the way to fix if you're not able to find the screencast option in your quick settings in your Realme device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.